Uh, sir, yeah, just tell me something about today program organized by the central bank. So, what is the motive to organize this program? And sir, second, in the era of digital, what's kind of the app you have been developed for the customers actually? So, yeah, please explain. Then we will. I mean that what kind of the technology you have been adapted to develop the this app, digital app,
Right,
and all this.
right. So good afternoon and thank you for this interaction. Today, Central Bank of India is organizing a mega retail camp across the country, and this mega retail camp are being organized at more than 100 locations. And the basic purpose of this mega retail camp is to reach out to the customers, to give new loans to the customers, particularly in the segment of retail like housing, vehicle, loan against property, personal loans, pensioner personal loan, etc. And these all these retail loans help the growth in the economy. If I talk about housing loans, and these housing loans are being offered at a highly competitive rate in Central Bank of India at a very hassle free process, very less documentation, and at a very simple and seamless process. The another thing is central bank is also having these retail loan digital journeys. You talk about digital, so we have a digital lending platform. These loans, customer can avail these loans by coming to our website and availing through digital lending platform. And that is also a very seamless process. Much of the process is fully digital, which customer can do in do it yourself process, and he has to just upload few of the documents, his details, and loan is given on the basis of in principle sanction, and rest of the documentation he can go to the branch and do it. So this mega retail camp as well as digital process of loans, that is highly established in Central Bank of India, and customer are taking the benefit out of it. As far as digital apps are concerned, we have a Centease, which we have branded as a Centease mobile app. We call it Ab Life Asan, which is our tagline. And in through this super mobile app, customer can do lot of transactions without going to the branch. Some of the basic transaction like fund transfers, nominee, giving the names of the
Change. Okay.
nominee, account statement downloads, and even they can do some their investment also, like purchasing SIP, mutual fund, insurance. That also can be done through these our Centis super app. And they can also this super app also has the UPI facility also.
Okay.
So all the UPI transaction also they can do through the Centis app also.
Okay.
And we have also this internet banking, which we have named Vyapar Sati, which is for recently we have launched for the corporate customer, MSME customer, business customer. So a lot of their transactions they can do through this Vyapar Sati internet banking. So in terms of digitalization, Central Bank of India taking a lot of leaps, and we intend to remain very focused to reach out to our customers through digitalization and through these mega camps. So like on 16th of this month, we have a mega MSME camp across the country. Today we are celebrating mega retail outreach camp, and on first week of June, on 5th of June, we are organizing agriculture campaign across the country to reach out to our agri farmers community, or the people who want to take loans
Okay.
in the agri segment.
Yes, sir. Sir, this cyber crime, cyber fraud, that is one of the major challenges before the society, even for the banks also. So, what efforts the bank are taking, this to minimize or to this system?
So you are true that cyber crimes are increasing, and the one of the biggest challenge, or you can say problem, we see is that the customer awareness. Much of the customers they, I mean, fall into the trap by clicking on the link, by sharing the OTP, or by receiving the calls which are not intended or relates to them. So customer should be fully aware. They should also spread the awareness in the family, in the friends. This awareness should be spread in the schools, colleges also, which as a bank we do. We hold lot of awareness camps across the country for the customers, for the youngsters, for the pensioners also. In the branch customer meet also, which every branch holds every month, there also we talk about this, how to protect themselves from the digital frauds and how to report on 1930 or cyber crime portal of government of India, or through our call center and other mediums. So awareness is very important, and the rest is, whenever anything happens, people should not become panic and immediately report it to our branches, to the cybercrime portal or 1930, so that the fraudsters, the money, if I mean whatever the money is left in the account or system is immediately blocked, and some recovery can be made, and the fraudsters are arrested immediately.
Sir, for the areas, these rural people are still deprived to get the benefit. They are still, and they are not much more aware about this, whatever the scheme launched by the bank actually. So, what efforts you are taking for the rural peoples actually?
So in the rural areas, generally you will see that we have a root city, rural self-employment develop institute, RCTs, and in these institutes we provide training to the rural people about the government schemes, about the bank loan scheme, about the digital frauds, about the digital apps, everything, so that the rural customer are aware. We hold rural camps in the villages, at the village level, at the gram panchayat level, so they are made aware and they are hold it to fill the application form, what are the terms and condition, how it is going to benefit them, right? So all these are explained to them in their local language, so they understand and they get benefit out of it. For the rural people, Central Bank of India branches employees are highly sensitive to their requirement, and they are treated in a most sophisticated manner.
Sir, one last question. This what message you want to give your customer uh, today being organized this program and
So today I would like to give the message to my customers and all the prospective customers to engage with the Central Bank of India, take the benefit of the our various schemes which are for retail customers as well as for corporate and MSME customers. And particularly for the MSME customer, Government of India has launched a ECLGS 5.0 scheme to give them financial support due to the current geopolitical situation. So they should come forward and take the scheme which is available through the Jan Samar. That is one message I want to give. And second message is, keep your connect with the Central Bank of India, and for all your financial needs and issues, please visit us, reach out to our branches, reach out to us, or reach out to us through our digital lending platforms and digital apps, and we would be very happy to serve you at all times. And thank you for being with us in all times.